Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. You are studying also. So now I want to discuss the mental health problems. So before going to start, I am telling one important thing that those who are doing work, that is okay, and those who are sending also, that is okay. But those who are not doing, please be serious and do your work properly. And we are sending videos, so you can take help from that videos also. At first try yourself, and after that see the problems, see the solutions. Okay. So those who are not doing, again I am telling that please do your work properly, be serious, that is good for you only. Okay. Okay. And if any problem, any doubt, you can ask me, otherwise any other teacher also, through message, through WhatsApp, or through phone call also, no problem that one. Yeah. So now let's start. Today I want to discuss the exercise 21. Exercise 21. Yesterday I was discussed what, the 20, exercise 20. Okay. So at first you take out your copies. Okay. And you try at first, and rough work you will do in right hand side. Clear? And another important thing that you should read the question thoroughly, properly. Clear? From there only you will get the answer only. So that's why, means answer is already given in the question, so that's why you should read the question properly. Okay. So first question, see, 17 to 90 equal to dash 10. Very easy question. Try at first, everyone try yourself. 70 into 90. So do multiplication. 70 into 90. What will get? Directly we can multiply it. 0. Here see 7 and what? 63, no? 63. Okay. And here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So put it here 2 zeros. That means 6300. So this is the answer. 6300. We'll put it here 6300. No. Why no? Because if we put this 6300, that one will be wrong. Here, because here is telling, in the answer is telling equal to dash t. T means what? T means tens. So that's why 10 will be less. That means here 20 was there now. That means here will come 630 tens. In this t, no, 10 is there, because 10 is what? 10. T means here what? 10, no. So that's why 10 will be less. That means answer will be what? 630 tens, means 630 tens. Clear or not? You won't write 6300. Clear? Few students are, I saw also that before also they written what 6000 like that, but that is not way. Okay, because in the answer is there what, t is there, so that's why. Okay, understood this one, this problem clear? Okay, next question, this one also try yourself at first, everyone. Easy. 7 into 7 into bracket start 40 divided by 5. Okay, try at first, everyone. 70 into, sorry, 7 into 40 divided by 5. So we know that the Bodmas rule. Okay. So Bodmas rule means what? Bodmas rule means what? BODMAS B for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Means which one will do at first? For simplification, at first we will do the bracket work. So here which one bracket here? First bracket already given here. Okay. Clear? First bracket given. So the in this bracket we'll do that first part at first. Okay. This portion we'll do at first. 40 divided by 5. After that of is not here. D division will do. So here 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 what? We know that 5 is 40. So we are getting what? 8. And before was there what? 7 into 8. 7 into 8 we are getting. And 7 8 is what? 56. Clear? 7 8 is 56. So that is the answer. Easy or not? You say. Easy or not? Very easy. Clear? At first we will do addition. Division. 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 we are getting what? 8. Okay. 8 into 7, 56. We are getting 56. Clear or not? Understood? Clear? Okay. Question number 3, see. Do it first, everyone. Very easy questions are there. Very easy. Yes. You can try it this one. You can solve it also. Here also same process. At first we will do bracket part. 500 minus bracket in bracket 13 into 5. So bracket question at first we will do. Okay. After that the remaining question will do. So try at first, everyone. 500 minus 13 into 5. So in this bracket what 13 into 5 we will do at multiplication at first. 13 5 the what? 13 5 the 65. We know that the multiplication. Otherwise you can do it. Okay. Table also we know that. That one we can do it. Okay. And before was there what? 500. So write it here 500 minus 65. So 500 minus 65 you know the subtraction. You know or don't know? So do subtract. So 0 minus 5 not possible. We borrow from 5. We borrow 1 from 5. We will get here 10. So 10 minus 5, it should be 5. And here 9 was there. 9 minus 6, 3. And here 5 won't be there. Only 4 will come because 1 already borrowed. So that's why. So 4 will come. You know that the subtraction or not? You do it? Okay. So that means what will come? Say 435. So write it 435. Clear? Easy or not? Easy? Okay. Next, see question number 4. This one also very easy. Which sign is given at first? See 145 into 5 minus 70. Multiplication given and subtraction given. So which sign at first we will do? Multiplication or subtraction? See here which one is at first? See M is there at first and S in last. So multiplication at first we will do. Okay. Multiplication we will do at first. So do multiplication. 145 into 5. 145 into 5. Do multiplication. 5 5 ja 25 5 2 carry 5 4 ja 20 20 plus 2 22. Okay, and 5 1 ja 5 5 1 ja 5 and 2 carry. So that only what 7. Clear or not? Again I am telling, see 5 ja 25 25 5 2 carry and 5 4 ja 20 20 plus 2 22 22 2 2 carry and 5 1 ja 5 5 plus 2 7. So that means 725. Clear? That is the multiplication. After multiplication 70 subtraction is there. So do subtraction. Write it here 70. But you should write all the digits in proper place. Otherwise your subtraction will be wrong. Clear? Okay, subtraction what will come? Here 5 minus 0 5. 2 minus 7 not possible. So we borrow 1 from 7. That means what will get? Here 12. 12 minus 7 5. Okay, and this one will be what? 6. This one will be 6. That means 655. Clear? Easy or not? 655. Clear? I hope 1 to up to 4 very easy question and you can do it by yourself also. Clear? That's why you should try at first. After that you will see the solution. Okay? Okay. Next question, see. Question number 5. The average of, important question, the average of, this one very important, the average of rupees 5 and rupees 15 is dash. The average of rupees 5 and rupees 15 is dash. So what is the meaning of average? See here 5 and 15 given, no. The meaning of average equal to, at first do addition 5 and 15. After that how many numbers are there? How many numbers? 1 here and here 1. 2 numbers divided by 2. Okay. So we are getting what? 15 plus 5 20. 20 divided by 2, that means 10. Okay. That means here answer will be what? Rupees 10. Rupees 10. Why rupees? Because in the given question rupees was there, so that's why rupees 10. So that is what is the concept of the average. The concept of the average is that suppose here 2 3 4, okay, 5 is there, 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what to do? We can find out the average. Other 6 also we can take it. How many numbers? Total 5 numbers we are writing 2 3 4 5 6. So now find out the average of these numbers. So how to find out this one? We will do at first addition. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. divided by how many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. That is the concept. Okay. So added this one, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So 20 divided by 5, that means 4. That is the concept of average. Understood? Otherwise, again I am telling the small 3 digits we are taking, 3 numbers of 3 digits we are taking, 2, 3, 4. Find out the average. What is the average of 2, 3, 4? So find out how we find out this one. At first, add this one, 2 plus 3 plus 4. After that, how many numbers are there here? 3 numbers divided by 3. Okay. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 divided by 3, that means 3. That means here middle number is coming. Okay. So that is the concept. At first, do addition of all numbers and divided by how many numbers are there. Count it at first, 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers or like that. That one will be divided. Clear? Okay. So this average concept clear? I hope you understood. Okay. Okay. Next question, see. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 is telling that 8 kilometer 8 kilometer. At first read the question, everyone. 8 kilometer 760 meter, 13 kilometer 40 centimeter equal to dash kilometer dash meter. Okay. So write it here. Normal thing also you can do it also. You can solve it this one. I hope you can do it. Okay. So at first you try, after that you see the solution. So 8 kilometer 760 meter. Okay. Next what? 13 kilometer 40 centimeter. 40 will write like that from the right hand side, not left hand side. Here 760 was there, but here in the second question what? 40 is there, only 40. Only 40 means we will write from the right hand side, not left hand side. Clear? Otherwise that one will be wrong. So do addition. Do addition. So we are getting what? Here 0 meter, put it here. 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 800 meter here getting. Okay. After that here kilometer. So do this one, add it. So you are getting what? 13 plus 8 here, that means here 21 kilometer. Clear? 21 kilometer 800 meter. The normal addition you do at first. So we can write it here equal to dash kilometer dash meter. That means here 21 kilometer and 800 meter. Clear? I hope you understood. Normal addition, simple addition, you can do it also. Clear? Next question number C. Question number 7. See, at first read question. Read the question. Read the question thoroughly. See, what is the given question? There are 80 oranges in a box. How many oranges will there be in 12 boxes? How many oranges will there be in 12 boxes? Clear? That is the question. That means what? বলেছে কি যে there are 80 orange orange in a box. একটা বক্সে 80টা অরেঞ্জ থাকে। তাহলে how many orange will be there in 12 box? তাহলে 12টা বক্সে কতগুলো অরেঞ্জ থাকবে? একটা বক্সে যদি 80টা অরেঞ্জ থাকে তাহলে 12টা বক্সে কতগুলো অরেঞ্জ থাকবে? কি করতে হবে? নিশ্চয়ই বেশি হবে না কম হবে? নিশ্চয়ই বেশি হবে। আর বেশি হলে কি করতে হবে আমাদেরকে? মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন করতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? যদি বলে আমার একটা বক্সে 80টা অরেঞ্জ থাকে তাহলে দুটো বক্সে কতগুলো থাকবে? তাহলে 2 * 80 অরেঞ্জ থাকবে। মাল্টিপ্লাই করে নিতে হবে। তিনটে বক্সে তাহলে কতগুলো থাকবে? 3 * 80, চারটে বক্সে 4 * 80, পাঁচটা বক্সে 5 * 80 লাইক দ্যাট। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে সেম ওয়ে 12 বক্সে তাহলে কতগুলো থাকবে? 12 * 80, 12 * 80. So here I am writing here 80 * 12. Directly also we know that directly we can do. If you know that table 12 is what? 96. 12 is 96. Otherwise you the simple multiplication you can do it. This one you will do. Okay. So 12 is 96. I am doing that directly. I am doing. Okay. 12 is 96 and here 10. So 10 put it here. That means 960. ক্লিয়ার? সো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য আনসার। যদি আমাদেরকে বলে যে 20টা বক্সে কতগুলো অরেঞ্জ থাকবে, তাহলে কত হবে? 80 × 20। ক্লিয়ার আর নট? ক্লিয়ার? যদি বলে 5টা বক্সে কতগুলো থাকবে, তাহলে কি হবে? 5 × 80, লাইক দ্যাট। আন্ডারস্টুড আর নট? তাহলে here answer will be 960 orange. Clear? Question number 8. Question number 8, very easy. You do this one. I won't do this one. You can do it. At first addition, after the subtraction. This one you can do it. Okay, normal thing is there. 346 plus 154. Added this one. At first addition. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 plus 4, 9. আর 1 carry ছিল, তাহলে কত হবে? 5 plus 4, 9, আর 1 carry ছিল, কত হবে? 0, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 carry হলো, আর 3 plus 1, 4, আর 1, 5. That means 500. 500 থেকে কি করতে বলেছে? minus 135. 135 minus করে দাও। Okay, do subtraction. So we are getting what? So here 0 minus 5 not possible. So we borrow from 5, 1 we borrow. Okay, so 10 minus 5 what? 5. Here will be what? 9. 9 minus 3, 6. And here not 5, here 4, because from 5 already 1 taken. So that's why that one will be what? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. That will be 365. So here what will come? I hope you got it answer 365. So here 365. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Are you understanding or not? Okay. If any problem, again I am telling, please you can ask me through message, through WhatsApp. Okay, we are always ready for you only. Clear? Okay. Next, see, important question. Question number 9. Write unit fraction. Unit fraction. 1/3, 1/3 and 7/7. Unit means what? Unit মানে কি? আমরা জানি কি unit মানে কি? একক, মানে 1। মানে এটার মানেই বলতে চাইছে যে এমন ফ্র্যাকশন থাকবে যেখানে তার নিউমারেটর ডিনোমিনেটর কি হবে? সেম হয়ে যাবে। মানে ক্যান্সেল করলে সেম হওয়া মানে কি? সেম হওয়া মানে ক্যান্সেল করলে কত হবে? 1 হবে। তাই তো? সাপোজ যদি আমি বলি যে 2/2, 2/2 ক্যান্সেল করলে কত হবে? 2 2 যা 1, 2 2 যা 1 means 1/1. That is unit fraction. Means তার নিউমারেটর ডিনোমিনেটর will be same. আর সেম হলে কি হবে? আমরা ক্যান্সেল করতে পারবো ওই নাম একই নাম্বার দিয়ে আমরা সেম ক্যান্সেল করে দিলে কি হবে? 1 1 চলে আসবে, 1 1. Clear or not? But here 1/3 possible? No, 1/3 not possible. This one not possible. So 7/7 is the unit fraction. কারণ 7 7 যদি আমরা ক্যান্সেল করি তাহলে কি হবে? 7 7 কে ক্যান্সেল করলে কত হবে? 7 1 7, 7 1 7, 1/1. That means you will write unit fraction. What will the answer? So 7/7, that is the answer. Okay, that is the unit fraction. 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, like that. That is the unit fraction. Clear? Okay. The number of factors of 8 is dash. Next question, important, very very important, this one. Number of factors, the number of factors of 8 is dash. 8 এর ফ্যাক্টর আমরা কি করে বার করব? হ্যাঁ, very so many process is there. So best process that is better for you only, will do like that. কি করে আমরা বার করব? দেখো 8 তো 8 we can write what? 1 into 8 we can write or not? 1 8 যা 8 আমাদের টেবিলে বলছে, বা 8 1 যা 8 আমাদের টেবিলে বলছে। তো ফার্স্ট আমরা কি দিয়ে স্টার্ট করব? 1 দিয়ে স্টার্ট করব। ওকে, উইল স্টার্ট ফ্রম 1। 1 যদি আমরা 1 এর 1 এর সঙ্গে কত রাখতে হবে? 8 রাখতে হবে, তবে তো 1 8 যে 8 হবে। ক্লিয়ার আর না? ক্লিয়ার? ওকে। নেক্সট সি, 8 2 দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল, 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করে যায়, ডিভিজিবল হবে। বিভাজ্য তো, তাহলে 2 নেব। তাহলে 2, যদি 2 নেই তাহলে 8 কে যদি আমরা 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করি তাহলে কত পাবো? 4। 2 4 যা 8, তাহলে 4। প্রসেস ক্লিয়ার? 1 এর সঙ্গে 8 নিলাম, তাহলে 2 এর সঙ্গে 4 8, তাহলে 2 4 যা 8 না, মিলে গেল। 3 পসিবল? 3 possible? No, 3 not possible, because 8 is not divisible by 3. 3 তো আর ভাগ যাবে না, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে 4 দিয়ে যাবে। 4 2 যা 8, তাহলে 4 2 যা 8 দেখো অটোমেটিক্যালি আমরা নিয়ে নিয়েছি। 4 টাকে এখানে পরে লিখেছি, 2 টাকে আগে লিখেছি, তো আমরা অটোমেটিক্যালি তো নিয়ে নিয়েছি, 4 একটা তো নিয়ে নিয়েছি, তাহলে আর হবে না। তাহলে আলটিমেটলি আমাদের কি কি ফ্যাক্টর আসবে? 1 আসবে, 2 আসবে। দ্যাট মিন্স ফ্যাক্টরস অফ 8 আর ফ্যাক্টরস অফ 8 আর থেকে 1, 2, 4, 8. That is the way, best process. Clear? That is the way. Suppose factors of 16, we can find out factors of 16, but how we find out this one? Same way we'll write 1 into 16, we can write or not? We can write 1 into 16. Okay, okay, so we'll take at first, we'll start from 1 only. Clear? So 1 into 16 finish. Next after 1 we'll take what? 2, because 2 is divisible by 16. 2 is, means 16 is divisible by 2, 16 is divisible by 2, so that means 2 here into here 8, 2 at the 16. Clear? 3 possible? No, 3 not possible. 4 possible. 4 into 4. Clear? Clear? After that 5 not possible. 6 possible? No, not possible. 7 also not possible. 8 possible, but 8 already taken here. 8 তো আমরা নিয়ে নিয়েছি আগে, 8 আর 2, 8 to the 16, তো 8 তো আমরা আর 2 তো আমরা আগে নিয়ে নিয়েছি, তাহলে আর হবে না। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমাদের আর আসবে না। তাহলে কি কি আসছে তাহলে আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরস গুলো? ফ্যাক্টরস অফ 16 আর্স কি হবে তাহলে? 1, 2, 4, 4 2 টাইমস, দুবার লেখা দরকার নেই, অনলি একবার লিখলেই হবে। 8, 16. This way we can find out the factors. Clear? And this type of factors, you can do it also, you can try also at first, otherwise and in the higher classes also we'll explain it. Okay, you'll learn later also. Clear? So I hope you understood these problems, all problems. If any problem, you can ask through message, through WhatsApp, or through phone call also, no problem. Clear? And if any problem, again I'm telling, if any problem, you please inform us. Otherwise your problem will be there and we are here, so your problem won't be solved like that. Clear? So you should practice this chapter, practice this exercise, all problems. Clear? So this is your homework, this chapter, as well as the next exercise also you will practice it. At first try yourself. If any problem, you can ask to me or any other teacher also, no problem that one. And but this chapter 2 times 3 times as much as possible you can practice it. Clear? And show me. Clear? Through message or through WhatsApp, like that only. Clear? So this chapter and next chapter, this is your homework. Write down this one, exercise 21 as well as exercise 22. This is your homework, but you should submit your homework properly. Clear? And those who are watching, again I'm telling, that is important thing, those who are watching this video, please write the name in the comment box. Clear? That is also important. From there only we can understand how many students are watching. Okay, so that's all. Tata, bye bye, have a nice day, take care of yourself and practice more.